With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so the question is which of the following is not correct, and here we have a 4 option. So as here we can see that in a A option we have given the metallic conduction is due to a movement of free electron in metal. Okay, so this one is true because here we have given metal. Okay, and we know that metals are a good conductor of electricity. Okay, and in metal electricity flow due to the presence of free electron. Okay, so that is why A is correct. Now in a B option we have given the electrolytic conduction is due to the movement of ion in the solution. Okay, so this one is also true because if we make a solution, okay, so here we have a water, okay, and in water we have add a NaCl. Okay, so here we will have NaCl. Okay, so now NaCl will distribute into an ion as Na plus ion plus Cl minus ion. Okay, so now as here we have Na plus ion and Cl minus ion, so in solution this will conduct electricity. Okay, and this is due to the presence of ion, that is called Na plus and Cl minus. So that is why B is also correct. Now in a C case we have given the current carrying ion are not necessarily discharged at the electrode. Okay, so here if we take an example, okay, so here we have NaCl. Okay, so now NaCl is distributed into its ion as Na plus ion plus Cl minus ion. Okay, and we have H2O. Okay, so H2O will distribute into its ion as H plus ion plus OH minus ion. Okay, so now reaction. Okay, so reaction at cathode. Okay, so here we will get something like this. As at cathode we have a positive charge, so here we will have H plus ion plus 1 electron. Okay, so here we will get half H2 gas. Okay, and at cathode, okay, so reaction at anode. At anode, so at anode, as here we have at anode we have a negative charge, so this means that here we will have Cl minus gives us half Cl2 plus 1 electron. Okay, so now as here we can see that H plus ion and Cl minus ion has discharged its electron, or we can say that its charge at anode and cathode electrodes. Okay, but as here we have Na plus and OH minus, so here we will have Na plus OH minus. Okay, gives us NaOH. Okay, so now as here we can see that Na plus and OH minus doesn't give any charges to the electrode. So this means that here it is not necessary for the current carrying ion to discharge at electrodes. Okay, so this means that this statement is also correct. Now in the last statement we have given the metallic conduction increases with the increase in temperature, whereas that of electrolytic conduction decreases with temperature. So this one is wrong because if we see here we have a metallic conductor. Okay, in metallic conductor the flow of electricity is due to the movement of electrons. Okay, and in metallic conductor we have a kernels. Okay, kernels. So now as here we have a kernel, so if you draw a diagram, so here we have something like this as this one, here we have a nucleus, and here we have a shells like this. Okay, and as you know that electrons, and as we know that the flow of electricity in a metallic conductor is due to the valence electron like this. Okay, and as inside a valence shell we also have a electrons like this. Okay, and here nucleus have a positive charge, okay, and electron have a negative charge. So here in metallic conductor nucleus and an electron in innermost shell together are known as kernel. Okay, so as the temperature increases, so the vibration starts. Okay, so now the inner electron will vibrate in their mean position like this. Okay, so now as the inner electrons vibrate in their mean position, so due to this the valence electron will feel a hindrance. Okay, that will affect the movement of free electron in the valence shell. Okay, so that is why here in metallic conductor as temperature increases, so the conduction, okay, the conductivity, or we can say that conduction decreases. Okay, and in electrolytic conductor, okay, so if we have a electrolytic conductor, okay, electrolytic conductor. Okay, so in case of electrolytic conductor, if we increase the temperature, okay, so here we have something like this, and here we have a ions. Okay, so if the temperature will increase, so the movement, so as here we have ion, so between the ions the force of attraction decreases. Okay, so this will increase the conductivity. Okay, so as temperature increases, so the conductivity, okay, conductivity of electrolytic conductor increases. Okay, but here we have written on increased temperature, the conductivity of material conductor increases. Okay, so that is why this is wrong. Okay, so our correct option to this question is option D. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.